So I'm blending it in with a stippling brush. I love the stippling brush to blend out my contour, to apply my foundation. The bristle hairs on there are very light, and I got mine from BH Cosmetics a while ago, back when BH Cosmetics was just like in style. BH Cosmetics was the place to stop if you didn't have coins like that. And I'm going back over it with my stippling brush that I use to apply my foundation, and I'm just blending everything together, making sure there's no harsh lines and I'm not looking crazy. Okay, boom, we got it. Now it's time to set the face, and I usually just set under my eyes with powder. I don't set my whole face. If I do, I'm going in with a pressed powder, but this powder I'm using is the RCMA no color powder, and I'm just going to pat that underneath my eyes with a concealer brush that I got from Makeup Shack. Okay, now that the eyes are set, let's dig deep into this Amreezy palette and let's get started on these eyes, baby. So to start off, I'm going to use my Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC Cosmetics. Y'all, I love this paint pot. It's a great base. You don't have to set it with any powder. All you have to do is pack it on with a fluffy brush or your finger and go in with your shadows, girl, and she is gonna be pigmented. And I like to go over that with that same concealer brush I blended everything out with, just to make sure I don't have any lines of separation from the concealer and the paint pot. So from the Amreezy palette, I'm going to go in with 1988, and I'm going to pat that on with the brush that actually comes inside of the eye palette. And I'm just going to pat that on and then blend out the corners with my OG and New Yorker. Y'all, I love OG and New Yorker. I try not to lean for those colors when I was starting it, but I'm going to diffuse the edges with OG and New Yorker. As you can see in the video, I'm going to be going back and forth with both colors, just to make sure it is as pigmented as I would like it to be. And you can't blend too much. It's never too much blending. I mean, it is, because you can blend too much where you can't even see the color, but for your eyeshadows, baby, you better blend. And that's what I'm doing right on right here. And I'm going to take my NYX pigment primer. Actually, you don't even need the NYX pigment primer, because the Black Radiance liquid eyeshadow, you can just apply it to the lid like that. And Stella has something similar, but the Black Radiance is a little bit more cheaper, but it's not as pigmented as the Stella ones. I can say that for sure. And then I'm going to go on top of it with that blue shade in the palette called Leo. And I'm going to pat that all over my lid. And I tried to do this without that Black Radiance pigment, and that blue did not come out as pigmented as I wanted to. So I would recommend for you to go in with some type of liquid eyeshadow as a base, then go on top of it with that blue. So I'm going to be going in with a MAC blusher called Rosie Does It, and I'm going in with a fluffy brush from Real Techniques and applying it to my cheekbones. Not too much, but just enough to give me a little pop of color to my face. Then I'm going in with the OG Black Radiance light to medium palette. Y'all know this is my go-to, and I will stop using it when I hit pan. When I haven't hit pan, I'm so surprised, because I've been having this for a very long time. And we're going to go in with that highlight shade and that same Black Radiance light to medium palette. And for my lips, I'm going in with that ColourPop lip color and a Estee Lauder lippy in the middle. So find something similar, change up the lip if you guys want, but this is the final touch. Baby, look at the highlight. Give me face. Serve 'em, Ash. Yes. Ooh. Boom. Ooh. pool. Okay, yes, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all girls in my next one. Bye.